abusia openia nanka o pese yento abama no as mrahye eno achi nso no ye bagana ye won a esi adan a woka ho bi edin ene Kojo Jones abusia era Kojo Jones abepie mo ewa hasen a wode ne hwirin eba beto ho.
We pray that the good Lord will strengthen the families. We express our condolences to all Ghanaians because these were good men, and they died in service, of Ghana. And we are praying and hoping that the good Lord Himself would protect us and keep us safe and heal us, because this is a tragic event.
It's traumatic.
Very traumatic, and we are praying that God Himself will come through for Ghana. And Ghanaians should remain calm and trust in God. That's the message I have.
Thank you.
Abusia openi Kojo Jones na any atwetwe nkomo no. Amede ontimi kra easy. Are hostem. My Ghana ya shredded. Sanso na ye mame. Abusia sanso na ye mame Anita Desoso wabedua mobile the flowers.
Then I wish that it's better to change that. Because it's very painful, my sister. It's very painful. Yeah, sure. And I pray that those who did this will have to come out. And I pray at the end of the day, they will say that we didn't get a year. We will not accept that. No one knows tomorrow, my sister. No one knows tomorrow. We all know that one day we will go. You understand? But what has happened? So you need to look for the people.
Usanti MP4 egusua eba Sara omo eba na omone MP4 ngotwe a omhwe omo kra wabra omo nya ewiemhia kwanhia no omo ebele omo. I was Education Minister Haruna Idrisu oba na wode ne nhwiren abeto ho na wode she ni nuanom ya omo akọ omo nkrachi wode ahye omo animonyam. Senti Openi Haruna Idrisu and what didn't share to honor. Inti na no disem.
Wait, let them come sit down. I bet come and support me.
We are too honorable. This accident or tragedy is obviously a very big one.
A national tragedy that has claimed the life of 8 in the service of our country. Unimaginable as it is, but the will of God. Dr. Omane Boamah served the nation and President John Dramani Mahama with unalloyed loyalty. His preoccupation daily, as he stated it, was Muhammad's success, nothing less, nothing more. He dedicated his public life to serve his country and to support President John Dramani Mahama succeed. The Honorable Murtala Mohammed, worthy representative of the people of Tamale and stalwart of a worthy cause. This weekend, he would have been commissioning a clinic project in addition to the many water projects he has undertaken to change the life circumstances of his constituents in Tamale. Resolute and strong with his convictions. Honorable Dr. Murtala Mohammed, a brilliant academic and a lawmaker, and for us, Allah knows best. We trust that Honorable Murtala, Dr. Murtala, and Alhaji Limuna Muniru will rest in Jannatul Firdaus. They were all faithful, practicing Muslims who upheld their Muslim values at all times. I'm sure in the next few hours, a formal statement will come from the presidency as to the two Muslims, how they will be buried in accordance with Muslim custom, tradition, and practice. Probably into tomorrow, but kindly await the statement. Dr. Omane Boamah proved he was worthy a strategist in mobilization, in policy formulation, and in policy execution. He spoke less. In fact, he did not want to serve this time round even as Minister of State. It was not his desire. I met with him and his wife Rita, and he said, Harun, I may not take up an appointment this time. I'm sure it's on the basis of the President's trust and faith in his person and what he could offer him that he got him convinced to become his Minister for Defense. May the soul of the heavenly departed and that of our colleagues rest in perfect peace. Samuel Sapong was a mobilizer for the NDC. Quite determined in his mobilization for the party. To the Air Force officers, you can't even describe it as hazard of their job, but it is. No pilot will fly to die. Let us accept this as the hand of God and a natural event.
We are all indeed devastated, but absolutely.
It's Yura Haruna Idrisu and one year at Chinkomo. Afa one for a movie a quenchia a buy and
Okay.
So I'm going to the next family house. Why look at that?
Yes, sir. So is that the last permission?
So we'll talk. God bless. God bless.
You've not seen that. You've not seen your man.
Only ladies.
Please, toilets in front, please.
Toilets in front.
Haven't you seen your man?
Lost but found. Wow.
His brains are chaos.
I wish we met on a better.
Papa is at the back.
You can always make it better.
Nanti this, I'm gonna look at
Okay. Oh, I think they stopped the traffic for us.
Yeah.
So, but we'll present first. Let's go and face.
Comrades, as we gathered here, this is the event we are here to pay respect and a very important homage to our comrades and also very important citizens who actually lost their lives in the line of duty. As former students leaders, we're not being selective, but at least we started with two of them. Honorable Dr. Omane Boamah and Dr. Murtala Mohammed were comrades with us. Honorable Omane Boamah, students, we were together we'll still be together. We'll still remember them. But it is important, in line with tradition and religious righteousness, to come here and lay a flower, a wreath, to show our love, our continuous love, whether they are here or in the other world, to them. I'm sure I'll give the opportunity to the current Lux president to say a few words on the behalf of all Ghanaian students. Thank you very much. We are all saddened by the developments in the wake of everything that has happened. It has really shaken.
Warriors here, this is gungulung 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 gung. This is Ghana News TV. The time is 6 o'clock. Let me follow Ghana.
So send this cafe amanoni aba Africa ha. Usulem fi. Say ye fear wo pese wo ntono. Usulem fi. E dan ya na say japade a wani da so a wo pese oto wa Africa ha no. Usulem fi. Say wo send this sika ama odofo e de aboa no wo Africa ha. Usulem fi. Sanso e na say wo tie obi school fees ama no a. Usulem fi. Nyenti American full lem fi ama on say utimi send this car e fa lem fi so a e ma ne begu bank account mu sanso e na timi begu mobile money account mu. Eno achi nso no de bia lem fi e wo daily rate a e ma hu sika dodo a wo send a wo benya. Lem fi e secured na wo send this car enche na nipa wo send ama no ne nsaka. Lem fi wo USA, Canada, UK, Italy, Germany, Ireland, Netherlands, Spain, Belgium, Portugal and France. What the lem fi send this car untua hwe bomodi an dey use me code NEWS news na say ene any day they can register or lem fi so a unya bonus sanso and use chance so a ye wo bonuses ahodo a ye de ma
soon there say o ha na wate Empenifui Omo Montade Omusha or say stop galamsey now, speak up now, or blame yourself in future. Omo and Hayatro Ewo Montade no more. I don't know. Galamsey ya na nampenifuinka Omo kutusosa na yehu kwanya ebefa so na yedie tu ehwana moa yentu asasimu sradea hemaninse yasase ni yebibia enese penifui kwanso amakoto nananom sedo ya sana mami yesua maniti
What happened? What happened? What happened? What happened? Arade ma be sick. Oh, grandma.
Yansana ewo 3 ha no nia o she atade a omo decorate ni komu blue no na nia ne sefita na wo ka no no ne dia mintimi nkyere ba no ne omo pani a ewo owo ade ni mu bed se metimi a kyere ma we no me ensa nyina ye mpanifo omo twi na ebi nso esiesie asemo ami yesua ma awurade muni ya ko ati awurade yesu amoy ora yesu amoy te o he maame no senia ne kasa emu ne ade na chese empenifo a akom nkrechi no onye related to any of them but what yasam no e ho areko ene se ama I dane ni su a wo su sa na busia ya samo ya areko papa penifo mo jamu no wan nimdia ebo mu tiri mu nye nimdia ketwa nso owo waye ne ho so okode mojabum okode a otu a ne se mojabum ena ono a bra ope ne ope ena waye ne se wafa merima kantinka sa edi omoko ya sana Abusuante Yeguswane Mpenifo ne adofo ahodo mo ba ha etwetwe nkomo momi mehu se na usu dendende mpenifo yi omude we na unim na so we related to ama usu sa.
I am crying because they are very young and that they are very, very, very important to the nation. It is my prayer that the government will make proper investigations to be able to know why this death, so that it will not happen again to our dear country. I don't know any of them.
To understand you well, you are not related to any of them, or neither are you very close to them?
Ghanaian. I am a Ghanaian. This thing has happened to Ghanaians, and therefore I have to mourn for them. That's why I'm here. And I'm saying that the government should make proper investigations to know why this thing happened, so that it will not happen again to our dear nation. I don't know any of them, but I'm sad. I've been weeping since the incident happened.
God bless you so much, Mommy. And please, what's your name and where are you coming from?
I am Esther Poma Okan, Assistant Superintendent of Police, retired. I'm from Alajo.
Thank you very much, Mommy.
You are welcome.
It's indeed an honor to have you, Mommy. Thank you.
Follow and watch Ghana News TV.
So send this cafe amanoni aba Africa ha Usulem fi say ye fear wo pese wo ntono Usulem fi edan ya na say japade a wani da so a wo pese oto Africa ha no Usulem fi say wo send this sika ama odofo e de aboa no wo Africa ha Usulem fi sanso e na say wo tie obi school fees ama no a Usulem fi nyenti amekanfo lem fi ama one say utimi send this sika e fa lem fi so a e ma ne begu bank account mu sanso e na timi begu mobile money account mu eno achi nso no de bia lemfai e wo daily rate a e ma hu sika dodo a wo sende a wo benya lemfai e secured na wo send this car enche na nipa a wo sende ama no ne nsaka lemfai wo USA, Canada, UK, Italy, Germany, Ireland, Netherlands, Spain, Belgium, Portugal and France. What the lemfai send this car untu ahwe bomodi a dey use me code NEWS news na say ene any day di kan o register o lemfai so a unya o bonus sanso e na use chen so a ye wo bonuses ahodo a ye de ma
menu makwekwe sa sempa kania semenam na meti asempa na mo amane a na ma no keka me anyem bia what ANS Trading Agency Limited nka se wo ka se door to door for no de na watwa esan so bia ne wa wo se wo ho sa door to door business nim wo nneoma wo UK a wo de ko Ghana ana se Germany a wo de ko Ghana 3 to 5 weeks e bekwa kodu nipa ne puno no se try na de mo demonstration ko se adwuma de ewe mu ne se wo ho bo no e da fom se boko ANS Trading Agency Limited e wo air freight special service and nneoma ne ye de be fa play entintempa na akwa kodu obetima fa sa pra we ya so de nneoma free Ghana akwa UK ana Germany FGG dem which na also agina ye na men drop bomb ANS Trading Agency Limited pe and a 40 footer any 20 footer container ye for UK ediko Ghana ana Germany ediko Ghana omo manuoma ye mere import o export o dem there for you omo Ghana na money 0249 170 423 UK has over free 0790 802 7527 Germany so 09173 771 2733 Ubenya ANS Trading Agency Limited our West Croydon ANS Trading Agency Limited Quantum Brantem Wana Beboya Baso maybe next time in your fill up from the bebro